Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Crenova Video Projector. 5000 lux home movie projection device. 550 ANSI. 200 up to 200 inches display. Wow! HD LED projector, 1080p Full HD supported. It works with your phone, PC, Mac, TV, stick, PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, all other consoles too. HDMI, USB for home theater. This is the 2019 upgraded version. Unmatched brightness experience. The XPE660 projector with newly advanced pixel and LED technology gives remarkable 550 ANSI. This is a 5000 lux brightness. Max supported 1080p compared to other projectors in its class. No matter if you're streaming Netflix, watching a movie, or playing your favorite PC, PlayStation 4 or Xbox games, the image projects with a brightness and clarity. A truly cinematic experience. Immerse yourself into a big screen, bold colors and contrast in any scene due to the Crenova's ultra-wide color gamut. 1280 to 800 native resolution, 4000 to 1 contrast, 60 inches up to 200 inches display. The XPE660 projects rich details and warm tones for a maximum supported HD 1080p entertainment experience. Excellent for indoor or outdoor home party, big video games. It is easy to connect all your devices on it. It is compatible with HDMI, VGA, USB, AV input. Yeah, that means you can connect easily a Mac, a PC, a tablet, an iPhone, a Samsung device, a Fire TV, Roku stick, a Chromecast, a TV box, a PlayStation, DVD, Blu-ray player, USB drive, etc. on it. It supports smartphone screencasting with an extra Lightning Type-C MHL micro USB to HDMI adapter cable. But take care, this cable is not included. But you can buy it for cheaper money, and then you can use it. Hi-fi stereo sound at advanced van. The ventilation, the van you can hear, of course. But if you're at a standard volume there, the van is silent all the day long. It has a built-in powerful omnidirectional speakers with SRS sound system. It provides a great auditory sense experience without external speakers. Updated the cooling system with 3 fans running simultaneously. Adopted the latest smart eco tech to minimize lamp consumption to extend the lamp life to max 50,000 hours of lifetime. This is really awesome. 1080p support, 4000 to 1 contrast, 5000 lux brightness, high definition experience. Awesome. And a good hi-fi stereo sound with SRS sound system. Powerful. And it is possible to get the image or the movie on your wall from 50-inch up to 200 inches. Wow! And you can dock a smartphone on it or an iOS device. It's no problem. You can use on the big range of connection sources for laptop, iPhone, tablet, the screen mirror, USB drive, HDMI streaming devices, game console, Blu-ray player, multimedia device compatibility. This is all what you get in one device. Oh yeah, Unmatched Brightness Experience with Crenova XPE660 Projector. Enjoy HD home movie with that thing. Enhance sound and brightness experience. Let's have a look what our PlayStation 4 can give us with this Crenova projector. Powerful omnidirectional speakers to pump out the sound in every direction. Built-in stereo speakers with SRS sound system provides a great auditory sense experience. 550 ANSI, 5000 lux brightness, 16.7K color range bring remarkable home movie experience. And if you're think about it, it is a cheap projector, because if you buy a flat screen with this big things, you have to pay 1,000 plus dollars. In this case, it is under 500. So that means it is a cheaper one, and the only one you have to do is buy this thing, get a source, plug it into it, and then have fun. If you have a wall, it's better to have a white wall, of course, or a canvas. Advanced pixel technology, 4000 to 1 contrast, allows true corner-to-corner clarity in different viewing scenes. Provides a brighter and wider viewing even in slight light, such as in the outdoor backyard or garage. It is a multimedia home entertainment projector. Chromecast, PC, laptop, TV box, DVD, VGA, USB, SD, AV devices, all fits splendidity. Freely stream multimedia content such as TV stick, video games, consoles, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, etc. with HDMI input, like seen in that video here. Smartphone mirroring with an extra lightning cable, of course. Then you have so many possibilities. You do not have to consider, this is awesome, big screen viewing experience. Create a remarkable detailed picture up to 200 inches big screen. And the viewing size up to 200 inches, and it comes from 55 up to 60 inches. The size with a projected distance of 3.7 up to 19.7 feet. Just play the big game with kids to get a joyful family time. Oh, immerse into big screen bold colors. 5000 lumens, 16.7K color range provides the brightest and boldest images in that class. 1280 to 800 native resolution, maximum supported 1080p for amazing view experience. Brings your family unmatched visibility to any indoor or outdoor viewing experience. And you can see you have this device will comes with a multi-language thing. You can choose the language by using the built-in knobs on the device itself, or you can use the remote to make a setup with it. Diffuse LED light source adopted the latest smart LED lamp care technology. The LED lamp lives up to 50,000 hours. Using LED diffuse reflection tech, the light doesn't shine directly into the eye, caring for family vision health. Enjoy big screen video as you like. Seamlessly play content from Netflix, YouTube, and more for endless entertainment. Connect Netflix via TV stick, Chromecast streaming sticks, Roku sticks, Xbox via HDMI input. And you have so many multimedia connection interfaces. It supports earphones, Bluetooth transmitter connection via the 3.5mm audio jack. Connect smartphone with an extra Lightning Type-C cable. Connects a Mac and MacBook Air with an extra mini display port. This means a Thunderbolt connection to the HDMI adapter. Lens focusing and keystone correction. Adjust the lens focus manually to view a clear image in different projection distance. Plus minus 40 degrees keystone correction via the remote to make a better watching experience. And what is in the box? You saw it in the video, of course. The product specifications are TFT LCD display inside it. Light source is LED. The lamp life is 50,000 hours. Aspect ratio is 4:3 or 16:9. Contrast ratio is 4000:1, and the keystone is plus minus 40 degrees. The projection display is 60 inches up to 200 inches. The projection distance is 3.7 up to 19.7 feet. Native resolution is 1280 to 800 pixels, and maximum supported resolution is 1080p. Not included the screencasting HDMI adapter cable. Not supported Dolby sound. The cooling system makes slight noise to avoid overheating, but this is no problem. In the box is one XPE660 projector, one HDMI cable, one AV cable, one power adapter, one remote control, one clean class, and one user manual. And this is all what you need to get into this easy to install Crenova projector experience. You have seen that, you can see that in that video. I only docked the PlayStation 4 by HDMI cable on it, then start the projector. Then we have to rotate a little bit on the lens to have a sharp screen, and then job's done. You can start immediately to have fun with it. The sound is good, the screen is awesome. And here you can see I can control everything in this on this screen, and the screen is on a standard wall. It is not a canvas. If you have a canvas in a huge range, the movie or the picture or the screen will be much better with it. But it's awesome too with a standard white painted wall, as you can see. Wow, I like it really much. It is a good and easy to use alternative thing to a so expensive flat screen TV, and you have everything what you need in one machine like this. So I like it really much. Thanks for watching. It is easy to use, easy to handle, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.